In this video, I'm going to show you how to splice two pieces of baseboard together that just aren't long enough for the room. Okay, so first thing I'll do is I'll get my big long piece in first, and I will leave an open 45. Some people do a 30, which is fine. I like the 45. I feel like there's more glue surface. And once I got it in, I will pin it, and I'll leave it back just like 18 inches or the closest stud. Once I have it in, that way I can cut and measure my piece. So I got 29 1/8. This one I'm going to do a cope on this end, so I just cut it square. And the nice thing about doing a cope on that end is if you're cut it a little bit too short, it's not going to be a big deal. So, and you stick it in. So mine, this one's actually just a little bit too big. So I'm going to go out and shave a C hair off that one and come back up. Alright, so trim this off. It fits pretty good. I'm going to get lots of glue on this so that it sticks. Okay, so I know this one's got to go down a little bit, but overall that looks pretty good. So I'm going to put a pin in this right side just to hold it down. This one here. Okay, that looks good there. Looks pretty good. So, sticking out a little bit there, but that's no big deal. And I'll have to pound that nail back in. Finish pinning. I'll take some sandpaper. That might be a little bit too much glue, but use sand, long broad strokes. Try not to focus just in that spot. Use the edge of the sandpaper to get nice crack. Can't seem to find my nail punch, so I just use this screwdriver. Green Robertson. There. More sanding at the bottom. And even if that looks perfect, I will still put some wood filler in before it gets painted, but it looks pretty good. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe for more content. If you hit the little bell, it'll notify you when there's new stuff out, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.